Hey guys, LegalLockPicker here. Uh, Today I have some great news and some horrible picks. So let's get off with the great news today. So I got in the mail today a shipment of items that had previously been mailed to the wrong person, and so those new items that I got came in, and the person sent me back one set of pics that were sent and said he lost the other ones. So I'll have to take him at his word on that one. So that should be good. That should make at least one person happy. One person who's been extremely patient. So I'll make sure to get. This was actually 2 giveaways ago, but anyway, so we're working on that. Today I have for you a Clom Premium 7-piece hook set with colorful handles. And I have to tell you guys this straight off the bat. These are the worst picks I've ever come across in the history of pick history. And I'm making that calculation based on a couple of different factors. One of the factors being the price of it. It's $29.99 from lockpickable.com. As you can see here, it says Locksmith Tools and it says Clom, so we kind of have an idea of where this is going. And the case is, it's not leather, it's not even pleather. It's just like if you were to melt garbage and stretch it out, that's what it kind of feels like. So that's that. It has a little button here. We're going to open it up. Here they are. Now, right off the bat, these don't look like terrible picks, but there is everything about them is just not good. I cannot imagine in anybody ever using these, ever, not even as a beginner, because if you were to use these as a beginner, you would just give yourself terrible habits, just absolutely horrendous. So you can see here, open. Oh, there's the Velcro. Okay, so that doesn't even, great. Okay, so I'm just going to take out a few and just show you. Red and yellow. Here we go. This is their definition of a medium hook, I suppose. I'll take them all out. Now, I do like that for one thing that attracted me is I don't see many other people with this set, and I did like the colors. But one thing I noticed right off the bat is these things are huge, right? And if you look closely, you can see that it looks like it was actually like just it was just shaved down, like it was supposed to be a screwdriver and it was just shaved down. You see that groove right here? So it's actually a flat on the top all the way to the end, and then same thing here, another one. So you can see that it was a circle and then it was just carved out, which is just, I can't understand why. Another strange thing is, you know how you would normally pick, at least I do anyway, I usually pick with one of my fingers on the on the metal piece here, so that way I can feel where I'm going. But this is not the case. Let's see. I'm gonna grab. Okay, this is Peterson hook, right? So when I pick like this with my fingers on the end of it. So if you were to take something like this, right, and you have your tension down, you can feel the direction that you're, not direction, but the force you're giving, and you can feel the pins, things like that. And you can see how it rests back here on the top of your hand for more control. If I were to do that with this, do you see that hanging off the back of my hand? I mean, that is mental. And because of this right here, this part, even if I were holding it like that, I'm not getting the right feedback because of this grinding here. Because you're actually feeling that circular part, and your brain is thinking, okay, so I guess my hook is good. I can't explain it, but it's just not right. I take no pleasure in saying these are the worst picks that I've ever come across in my picking career. And it even says at $29.99 on their website that I saved $5, so the original cost would be $30 or $35. I mean, it's long, it's grotesque, and you know what I'm gonna do? I was gonna have I'm not going to, but I am gonna have a Free Pick Friday this week, and I'm gonna give away I'm gonna give stuff away hand over fist. So make sure you pay attention this week, because we have been putting a lot of money and a lot of time into custom week coming up, so make sure you pay attention to that too. But anyway, I was going to give these away for the Free Pick Friday, but I don't even want to do that because I would end up hurting more than helping. So, okay, we're going to put just... Okay, I can't even do this accurately because of how poor this is. Okay, we're going to zero it out. Okay, so 0.9 millimeters. Oh, that's good. Look at that. So 40 thousandths. I mean, it's just not practical. And for the people out there saying, oh, well, what if we held it by the actual grip itself? What if we used it like they were meant to be used, right? Well, I understand that, and I've actually tried that, but look at the distance between where my hand is and where the lock is. I mean, it's just not practical. So, I mean, there's plenty of different ways to go with this. You know, people can debate whether or not, and, you know, you can do that in the comment section below, but I just can't imagine anybody under any circumstances wanting to get these for anything at all. I don't get it. And they're not even all shaped the right way. Some have this like a carved down look, and then another one is just straight here and right down. I don't know. I'm sure that there's something that I'm missing. And if there is, please let me know. I would like to be able to retract this statement and say, okay, maybe I was using them incorrectly, but I just can't. I mean, these aren't something. They're strong. I mean, that's great if that's what you need. Look at this. Look at this. This is garbage. Look at that. Can you see that? I don't know. I'm not going to waste any more of your time with this scheisse junk. Jesus. Anyway, so I'm going to get those other things out to you guys as soon as possible. Make sure you guys are watching me on LegalLockPicker on Instagram. So feel free to contact me with any questions that come out the video you see here today. Likewise, if you have any ideas for future videos and would like to suggest a lock picking tool or have something you'd like for me to review, feel free to contact me with the information below. If you like this video and want to see more of my upcoming videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great day, guys. Oh, and if you want this crap, just leave it in the comment section below, and yeah. See ya.